Meaning of hearing dog.
Hearing dog.
Hearing dog.
Hearing dog.
Hearing dog. A hearing dog is a specially trained canine who assists individuals with hearing impairments. These dogs are trained to respond to sounds such as alarms, doorbells, and their owner's name, alerting their owner to the sound by nudging or pawing them. They also help to increase their owner's independence by providing a sense of security in knowing that they will be alerted to important sounds they may not have been able to hear on their own. Hearing dogs make a significant impact on their owner's lifestyle, allowing them to live with greater freedom and improved safety.